What's up, you guys? All right, welcome back to the channel. Now, in this video, I want to point out some of the best AI tools that I think you guys should be paying attention to. Now, I think we've all heard about ChatGPT, right? Now, if you heard about ChatGPT, I'll point out some extensions, but I'll save that for later. And I'm going to share with you guys a lot of the tools you guys should be paying attention to beyond ChatGPT. And here's the ill part. A lot of this stuff is free. Let's get into it.
It could all be so simple, but you'd rather.
All right, so what I did was I combined about 8, 9 of the best AI softwares that I know you guys should be paying attention to. And the very first one I want to point out is one of my favorite, which is Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the strongest software in reference to text to image. They give you variations of the text you put in. Given the right prompts, you can actually create any type of art or images you can possibly think about. Now, here's the interesting part about Midjourney. Midjourney, it is free in the beginning, but it does have a cost as you start to build on it. But it will give you about 4 different variations that you can play with or decide from. And the images that you like, it'll just improve on that. So Midjourney is a software I think you all should be paying attention to over any other image-based software that's out there. So I know you've heard DALL-E. DALL-E's free. Midjourney is the big boy in the game. The next software I need you guys to know about is called 11 Labs. Now, 11 Labs is one of the few softwares that give effective voice-based building. 11 Labs has this unique way where it can create the emotion, the tone, the depth.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to the newest video from Zillow Killer. Stay tuned to learn more about the best AI available today.
Even if you don't use your own voice, you can create a voice with it. So 11 Labs is something I think you guys should all be paying attention to. All right. We talked about 11 Labs, right? Now, this one is called DID. Now, the unique part about DID, it'll take an image and convert the image into emotion. So if you combine 11 Labs with DID, you have a full production at this point. So for you guys that are like camera shy or still haven't figured out how to properly articulate your message, write it, have 11 Labs voice it, take DID and have it produce it. Now, the ill part about it is you can create different avatars or you can create your own facial image. That's the unique part about DID. So now you guys have no excuse to produce video or produce content that's effective. Now, here's a good one for you guys. It's called Video. This is going to help you guys repurpose all of the content you guys produce. So if you guys are doing any type of video content, it'll take that long form and chop it up into bite-sized short form content. That's excellent for things like TikTok, IG Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Video is a software. Right now you can use it for free, but I think that's something that should be on your radar that you guys should be using to produce some effective content. All right, you guys, this particular software is something that's going to be excellent for you guys to promote all of your long form content, which is called Opus Clips. You give it a YouTube video or podcast, it'll break it up into small bite-sized clips that you guys can put inside your stories to get the message out. It'll give the titles, some descriptions you guys can play with, virality ranking if that's the thing for you guys. But Opus Clips is perfect for you guys when you guys are putting stories into your marketing strategy. This one I think everybody should be paying attention to, especially for you agents that have like international audiences. What if you could take your content and translate that into another language? Now, I speak one language, which is English, and I do that partial. But with this particular software, which is called PaperCut, you can translate your videos in 100% accuracy into a language, something like Spanish, and a few other languages that they're building on top of. Pay attention to that, you guys. Being able to grow your audience from English to another international audience like Spanish is huge for your business. All right, this one is my favorite, which I think everybody should be paying attention to. It's been out here for a while, but Describe has kind of went under the radar. It takes your video, transcribe it. Instead of reproducing the video over and over again, through the transcriptions, you can make the adjustments and make the editing. You can say, hello, such and such a name, and just change the name about 100 different times, where now you have one excellent video and all you're doing is adjusting the name so you can introduce on a more personalized level. All right, remember I told you guys that there will be a bonus when I talk about ChatGPT. I think everyone has been exposed to ChatGPT at some level, but what makes ChatGPT so unique is the extensions that it's offering right now. So here are 3 extensions I think you guys should be paying attention to that'll supercharge ChatGPT for you guys. One of them is called YouTube Summary. Now, YouTube Summary would take the video and transcribe the YouTube video, but not only transcribe it, it'll give you the full breakdown of exactly what the highlights of that video is all about. The other extension that you guys to pay attention to is called web chat. Now, remember, ChatGPT is not connected to the internet, and we have about a 2-year gap in reference to the data and information that ChatGPT is working with. Well, web chat is an extension that you guys can add to ChatGPT that will give you access to the internet, and then you can get relevant information based off the questions and the prompts that you put in. And my final extension I need you guys to pay attention to, which is the big boy, and it's AI PRM. AI PRM has hundreds of prompts pre-structured inside that all you need to do is give a quick description and it'll build it based off of your description. So if you need a blog post, 500 words, there's a prompt already structured. You just need to tell them the topic and it'll build it based off of the topic and idea because the prompt is already pre-built into the PRM software. So with those 3 extensions will supercharge your ChatGPT, and now you're using ChatGPT at this point. Hopefully you guys got value from this video. As you can see, I am more focused on giving you guys ideas and concepts that actually work, but I live by a very simple philosophy, you guys. I just believe the unprepared will always get abused. Until the next one, peace.